and Jesus is alive.
What happened?
Bankubira essimu nga baŋŋamba muzeeyi wo mulwadde nnyo kubanga ali akolera ku bizinga nga muvubi ng'amaze kati omwaka mulamba ku ndiri tatambula talina kyesobola kwekolera talina kyasobola kwekolera ne bamaama bange babiri be yali abeera nabo bamuddukako lwa mbeera gye yalimu. Yali musajja munene kalisaaka kiraba bwafaanana.
He has spent a year in such a condition. Also, the wives ran away from him because of such a condition.
Kati nali lumu ku TV ne baganda bange nga tutudde kwekomu kwekungamba leka kwe BS kwekulaba Pastor Iga nga awonya abantu.
So one time he was watching ABS, he saw Pastor Iga praying for people. So that's why he decided to bring the patient here.
Lwalunaku lumu ndowooza mu wiiki eno mukana nanga wate twesonda ssente tukwate ekkubo gwotwale muzeeyi olabe oba tutasobola kujjayo ekiramu ne mugamba kaale kati lubadde lunaku lwa leero tufunye emmotoka ne sente twasonda ne baganda bange ne mukwata ne muleeta wano.
So they decided to collect some money so they can bring the patient right here in Kawala. Because all the burden he's been on him, caring for everyone at home.
Yes, man of God. Let me put a ring on him.
It
starts chasing away all the pain wherever it is. And all the paralysis. I want him to be set free. The ring of the Lord, I want it to drip out whatever liquid. All of it. Through that liquid that's coming out of him, that's where his healing is going to come.
Watch it on your screen.
Now it has now started dripping out the liquid from his body.
Watch.
It is beginning to change his skin texture. It's now getting out. Don't joke with the ring of the Lord. His skin is beginning to change. His lips were almost like for the dead. Look at the water. Look at the water. Look at how the water is beginning to get out of his body. No one has poured water on his forehead. But look at what's going on.
This is a university.
And no uni of higher levels of understanding.
This is not P5.
This is not primary 5 also. They should come and ask us how it is we do it. You know. They ask us how does God use you to to do such mighty things.
nkyamusikambulamu
I'm
amazzi
still pulling out the water from his body
kubanga obulwadde bwe yalwala buzibu nnyo.
because the sickness is having is terrible.
Tozenyisa kirwadde kya kugongobala.
Don't joke with the
Paralyzed.
sickness of paralysis.
Oh. Wama bakkiriza Mukama bawe
Those
omukisa.
who believe, God bless you indeed.
nkyamusikambulamu
I'm
amazzi.
still pulling out the water from his body.
Laba.
Take a good
Kuulira
look.
Yesu engalo
Come
ez'amaanyi.
mighty and come to Jesus.
Laba.
Take a good look.
Laba ebifubutukayo.
Look at what's coming out of his body.
Eryo ddogo lye ndi mu
That is
kusikayo.
witchcraft that I'm pulling out from his body right now.
Eryo ddogo lye ndi mu musika mu
That's
kati.
witchcraft I'm pulling out of him just about now.
Ndi mu kulikekenulayo.
I'm now dripping it out of him.
Nga bwe ndi mu kukekenula by'omusajja ono.
As I'm dripping out the
Naawe
witchcraft of
bibyo
this
kati
man,
bikekenulwayo.
yours is being dripped out just the same way.
Laba ekiri mu bulago.
Look at his neck.
Laba amazzi mu bulago.
Look at the water in his
Oyinza
neck.
okemba waliwo akutte
You might
etampeko.
think there is someone with a cup
Ali mu gayiwa.
keeps watering him.
Tunuulya ekiri mu bulago.
Look at what's going on
Daba
around his
amazzi.
neck.
Daba amazzi.
Take a clear look.
Tozanyisa mpeta.
Don't joke with the ring.
This is a university.
In a university of high levels of understanding.
Daba amazzi.
Take a look.
Daba amazzi.
Take a look at how the water is coming out of his body.
Gafubutuka mu bulago.
It's now dripping from everywhere.
Eyo gye bayita university.
That is what they call a university.
Daba olususu.
Look at
Ndi
his
mu
skin.
kulufumba lwonna.
I'm not boiling it. All of it.
Kubanga lyalidde okudaba feesi ye yonna.
Because it was witchcraft. Take a good look at his face.
Daba feesi ye bw'ekyuse.
Look at how his face has changed.
Ekikolebwa wano.
Whatever is being done here,
N'abali ku APS.
even you guys that are on ABS,
Kiri mu kukolebwa mu
it's the
bulamu
same thing
bwammwe.
that's being done in your lives.
Eddogo lye baamuliisa
The witchcraft that he was made to eat
biri mu kuvaayo.
is now getting out of him.
Daba ekiri mu kyenyi kye.
Look at his forehead.
Situla omutwe bulungi bw'oti.
Lift up his head a little bit,
Aha,
young
bw'oti.
man.
Awo. This is a university.
Etiwa University.
Waggulu wali walinga empeta. Kati empeta neri mugga kiyalinga.
As the ring is clearing him, rather,
Kati eri mugga kiriyalinga.
it's now clearing his
N'olususu
off.
kati ndi muddutereeza.
And his skin is now getting back to
Tozanyisa
normal.
Katonda w'e Kawala.
Don't joke with God of Kawala.
Tunuulya sikini bw'etandise okukomawo.
Look at how his skin is beginning to normalize.
Daba sikini eringa gye bakubye omuzigo.
Look at his skin, it's as if it's been smeared with oil.
Tozanyisa mpeta ya
Don't
Mukama.
joke with the ring of the Lord, though.
Daba sikini bw'eri mu
Look at his
kuyooyootebwa.
skin, how it is now normalizing.
Tozanyisa mpeta ya Mukama.
Don't joke with the ring of the Lord.
Now he is free now.
Kati awonye.
Sebo yimirira.
A gentleman, you're
Mukama
free to stand.
akusuubulidde.
Stand up because the Lord has set you free.
Yimirira.
Stand up.
Tewali kusaba kulala kwonna.
Yes, no other prayer.
Yimuka otambule.
Stand up and walk.
Weeyimukira odduke.
Stand up.
Yimuka odduke emisinde gye wamma.
Stand up and run.
Yimuka.
You're free.
Naye ndaba edduulu nga lidduka.
Watching
University.
Wachitiwa mukama.
Wachitiwa.
Esizimu wachitiwa.
Wachitiwa.
Tengereri unaona yera. Amanyike kamunaona. Jaja wachitiwa. Wachitiwa mukama wange.
Wachitiwa mukama. Esizimu wachitiwa.
Okay.
Wachitiwa mukama. Esizimu wachitiwa. Tendereri unaona yera. Amanyike kamunaona Yesu. Wachitiwa.
Wachitiwa mukama wange.
Wachitiwa mukama. Esizimu wachitiwa. Tendereri unaona yera. Amanyike kamunaona Yesu. Wachitiwa.
Oli otya?
How are you feeling?
How are you doing?
Ne bulungi sebo.
Weewulya bulungi?
Ne wulya bulungi.
I feel
Obadde
great.
okisuubira?
Were you expecting that?
I never expected it at
Nanga
all.
suubira nti oba nnyinza okuddamu okutambula okubuuka nga bwe ndi sebo.
To work again.
Katonda wakola.
Oh, the God is
Genda ojulire Mukama emirembe
You go
gyonna.
testify for the Lord forever.
And Jesus is alive.